and who are all watching these rituals will definitely has reserved his place in Vaikuntha Loka. If possible, you leave eating non-vegetarian, eat only vegetarian, do the devotional service, do the mantras which has been prescribed by Vedic scriptures. This Gayatri, Varaha Gayatri, if you repeat this mantra on daily basis, you will be protected by Lord Varaha and you will achieve everything in this life. This Lord Varaha Kavacham is a difficult one to pronounce. It's not an easy one, but Gayatri is easy to pronounce. So Varaha Gayatri. Varaha Gayatri is good to do. Those who are interested, please write to support.vedifolks.com. We will email you with this mantra. இப்பொழுது அந்த வராக ஜபம் முடிஞ்சு ஹோமம் முடிச்சிருக்கோம். அது சித்தியாகிறதுக்கு மகாலட்சுமி ஸ்ரீ சூக்தத்தை ஹோமம் பண்ணி ஒன்னாவது பண்ணணும். மகாலட்சுமி அம்பாள் வந்து மகாவிஷ்ணு அம்பாள் இல்லாம ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாது. Since Lord Varaha also took another incarnation for Bhuma Devi, who is Mahalakshmi herself. So we are also going to do Sri Sukta, that is for Mahalakshmi Agarthi. We are doing Mahalakshmi Agarthi because Mahavishnu will be happy only when Mahavishnu is invoked. So Mahalakshmi is invoked. So we are invoking Mahalakshmi also in this Agni. So both Lord Varaha and Mahalakshmi together will grace us and give everything in the life. So we are going to do Lord Goddess Mahalakshmi. Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajadasrajam Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jatavedo Mahavagasvaha Tam Mahavagajatavedo Lakshmim Manavagaminim Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyam Kavasvam Purushanakam Swaha Aswapurvamrtamatyam Stinada Prabodhinim Sriyam Devi Pakvaye Srirva Devi Dhrutam Swaha Kamsosvidam Hiranya Pragaram Adram Jalandim Truptam Tatvayandim Badmesvidam Bhaktavarnam Tavimo Pakvaye Sriyam Swaha Chandram Prabhasam Sasad Jalandim Sriyam Loke Devajuttam Dharam Aham Badvidimim Charamaham Pravadye Lakshmi Rupenasya Dam Tvam Prane Swaha Aditya Varne Tapasodi Jato Vanaspadistav Vrikshoda Bilvaha Tasya Valani Tapasana Dundu Bhajam Rajacha Bhajam Lakshmi Swaha Upari Tumam Deva Sakha Kirti Tamanina Saha Pradut Bhuto Sratesmin Kirti Virtun Dadatume Swaha Chuttiva Asamalan Jekta Lakshmi Itna Sayapyakam Abhu Divasamadjanta Sarpanadame Graha Swaha Gandadvara Andura Daridhanitya Bhuktam Kirishidihim Ishwaridum Sarvabhutanam Tavivo Bhakvaye Sriyam Swaha Manasakka Bhamabhudim Vachas Satyavasivagi Pasunam Rupamannasya Vagi Sri Sriyadami Saswaha Gardhamena Prada Bhudamaki Sambhava Gardhamam Sriyam Vasikame Gule Mataram Bhatkumarini Swaha Abhas Prajusiktani Sikli Davasame Grihe Vijadevi Madarakti Sriyam Vasikame Gule Swaha Ardram Karani Muttim Suvarnam Vyama Marinim Suryam Ranmayim Lakshmim Jatavedo Mahavagasvaha Ardram Ishkarani Muttim Marinim Ardram Ranmayim Lakshmim Jatavedo Mahavagasvaha Tam Mahavagajatavedo Lakshmim Manavagaminim Mahadevi Vishwagam Vishwapatri Sri Vachas Pamayushya Arogyamani Dachobhaman Mahijade Dhanyam Dhanam Pasum Bhugaputra Labham Sadasambastaram Dirghamayu Swaha Ambujoli Sameda Bhuvaraha Varahamurtaye Swaha. So Lord Varaha graced up along with Goddess Mahalakshmi. She graced up. They blessed us for long life, prosperous, good life, and we want to make a sankalpa that we will go back to him. We will go back to Vaikuntha with our devotional process. At least by this birth or next birth, we should try. We should stop this vicious cycle of birth and death. Whatever we see is illusion in this earth. With just 50, 60 years or 80 years of life,
So please don't forget the reality. It's a game of life. It's a karma which we are undergoing. We need to stop it and go back to Him. That's the end goal of every soul. Now we are going to do the final ritual process. So you need to pray for 2 minutes. So this is the final ritual where we offer everything we have to Lord Varaha with Mahalakshmi. Along with it, we want you to pray and we want to take your wishes, your desires along with this to the Agni form of Lord Varaha. So please pray for 2 minutes. I'll give 2 minutes to you. Please pray. Stand up. Pray for 2 minutes. Whatever wishes you have, if you are childless, pray that you will get child. If a child is not good health, pray that your child will get good health. You want to acquire any properties, pray that you want to acquire any property. You want to get married, pray that you want to get married. Or if you want to just pray to take care, just surrender to Lord Varaha. You can pray that you surrender to Lord Varaha. He will take care of you, your progress materially and spiritually. So completely surrender to Lord Varaha with Mahalakshmi. Now we are going to offer this final ritual process, Purnahudi. By taking your wishes to the Lord.
Sarvam vai Purnahudihi Sarvameva Apnodi Adoyam vai Purnahudihi Asyameva Pradhi.
Please stand up.
Narayana,
please stand up. Wherever you want, please stand up. Make a deep prayer.
सप्तदेते सप्तजिह्वाः सप्तहृदे सप्तदां प्रिया सप्तहोत्रा सप्तदात्रा सप्तयोनि आवरण स्वाहा हृदयेन स्वाहा अग्नये सप्तपद जन्ममा भूस्वाहा भूस्वाहा स्वस्वाहा ओम भूर्भुवः स्वस्वाहा अर्घ्यपात्रं भूर्भुवन्धाय प्रायचित्तं प्राणायामम् अदितेनम कृस्ताः अनुमतेनम कृस्ताः सरस्वतेनम कृस्ताः देवसवितप्रसुमा क्षीरपायसं निवेदयामि वराहमूर्तये नमः. We are
also offering sweet payasam. So they are very happy now. They have taken your desires. Let all the goodness happens to you in life. And now we are going to do the namaskaram process. How many times? So we are going to do 2 namaskaram. He will repeat a mantra for 2 times. For 2 times you need to fall down to the earth, that is Bhuloka. You need to fall completely to your Bhuloka. For men you need to fall completely. For women your chest should not touch the ground. So you fall down. Now he is going to repeat the first mantra. At the end you need to fall down now.
Srimate Varahaya Namaha.
Fall down.
Krisena Vasundhara Udhrutayena Padalat Vasardam Sarvadehinam. Abhidu Namaskaram.
So you have done your Namaskaram. Fall down. The meaning is all the living beings, all the higher beings,
பூமியை பாதாளத்திலிருந்து வராக ரூபத்தை தரித்து இழுத்து வந்தவரும் மகாலட்சுமியுடைய கணவருமாகிய ஸ்ரீனிவாசனுக்கு நான் நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணுகிறேன்.
Translation of this mantra is that the Lord who saved the Bhuloka and took it for the welfare of all the human beings and living beings to live in the Bhuloka, that God who is Lord Varaha, who is Lord Srinivasa, who is the consort, who is the Purusa of Lord Goddess Mahalakshmi, I pray to that Lord. I pray to Lord Varaha that because for every one of us you make that avatar, to make that incarnation. We pray to you, we surrender to you, we surrender to your feet. Let you take care of. So this mantra is thanking Lord Varaha to take incarnation for us. So by doing this, now you are going to again do this mantra second time. So please fall down to the ground for second time.
Srimate Bhuvaragaya Grissana Uttudayena Badala Basartam Sarvadejinam. Adinu namaskaram.
So
Aduthathu
namaskaram. Then
Namo Yajnavaragaya Krishnaya Sahabhagave Namaste Veda Vedanta Babushe Viswarupine. Adinu namaskaram.
so do the namaskaram with this.
அதாவது ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாவதாரம் எடுக்க போறவரும் நூற்றுக்கணக்கான கைகளை உடையவரும் யஜ்ஞவரம் அவருக்கு ஆயிரக்கணக்கான நூற்றுக்கணக்கான கை இருக்கவராக இருக்கு.
See, this mantra is being given even before the Krishna Avadara is taken. You should understand, all these avataras is not been recorded after the history. It is also before the history. This is the manual. This should happen. So, this mantra tells,
கிருஷ்ணாவதாரம் செய்ய போகிறவரும்
you are going to take the complete Purna Avadar of Krishna in future. So, those
நூற்றுக்கணக்கான கைகளை உடையவரும்
you are having 100 hands with you.
வேதங்களையும் வேதாந்தங்களையும் சரீரமாக கொண்டவர்.
You have the body of all the 4 Vedas and Vedangas as your body.
சரீரமாக கொண்ட விஸ்வரூபியான நமக்கு வராகமூர்த்திக்கு நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணுகிறேன்.
You have a body of Vedas and Vedanga, and you have a universal form, the Viswarupa form, that is higher than any other form, and you are going to take Krishna Avadara in future, who is complete Avadar. So I do a namaskaram to you, and you protect me from all the dangers. You say, you be with me. So this is the translation of this mantra. Let all the goodness comes to your life.
Om Yobam Pushpam Veda Pushpavan Pajavan Vasuvan Bhavati Chandrama Bhavan Pushpavan Pajavan Vasuvan Bhavati Suyajnaya Vidmane Antidharaya Dhimahi Tanno Varaha Prachodayati Ambyavalli Sameda Varahamurteye Namaha Vedokta Mandara Pushpam Samarpayami.
So now we are going to transfer. This is a transformation process. Now among 5 elements we are invoked God in Agni form.
இப்பொழுது final தீபாராதனை.
Now okay, before that we are going to have the Deeparadhana. That is the final Deeparadhana. Take the blessings. Take the blessings.
Agni Rupa Varahamurtaye Namaha Jala Rupa Varahamurtaye Namaha Karpura Niranjanam Samarpayami.
So he is, so Agni Rupa, he is telling, he asks you to get the blessings from Agni Rupa of Lord Varaha and also the Jala Rupa, that is Water Rupa of Lord Varaha. Now we are going to transfer this Agni Rupa of Lord Varaha to the Kalasa Rupa. We have water in the Kalasa, so we are transferring the fire to water. The Lord Varaha is now transferred to water. So please witness this. So now also take the blessings from this Deeparadhana. You want to get the blessings. So I wish you and your family will get the protection of Lord Varaha, and everything will be good for you from this moment. So I wish you want to attend all the Dasavadara series. The next Avadara is Narsimha Avadara. Very, 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 very great Avadara. I personally like Narsimha very much. He is going to take Narsimha Avadar. So please watch the schedules. You should definitely, you should also tell your neighbors, your friends to get. It's a gift you can give to your well-wishers. Ask them to participate. It will be good for you. So we wish that all the goodness comes to your life. Now we are transferring. We are already transferred this Agni Rupa to Jala Rupa. So we want you to get the blessings now. So this is the Kalasa which we used, and this is water which already Lord Varaha is transferred from Agni to water form. So please get the blessings. We are spraying it throughout the temple, and not only we are spraying in this temple, wherever you are, it is believed that the auspiciousness comes to your house, your place, where you are. So please be very clean before you attend this yagna. So this is very auspicious for your family, everyone in your family. So take the blessings. We are small human beings. Everything is been taken. We have a bigger cosmos. Everything is been going on well in the cosmos. So pray that we also get good things in life, because it's beyond. It's under the control. All the planets, everything is under the supreme controller's control. So Lord Mahavishnu is the supreme controller. You should worship him on a daily basis. This is offered. This has been offered as a prasadam to Lord. This is a prasadam from God. This is the cloth used by Lord Varaha. This is the flowers used by Lord Varaha, and this is fruits, coconuts, everything we have. And this is this been Raksha, which has been from the Homam. So it's all from Lord Varaha. So I'm taking this in behalf of everyone. So thank you very much for joining us. So next Homam is Narsimha Avadara. So please attend that. We are also organizing Lakshmi Kubera Homam for Akshaya Tritiya. So please come and watch. Thank you very much for joining. Signing off, I am Navneet Krishna, under service to you at any time. Thank you very much.